of our content creation class. Now, in this class, I will teach you proper way to create Facebook page for content creation. I know you know how to create a page, but there are some things that you are missing when you are creating page. That's why to get content monetization is always hard. But in this class, I will teach you a proper way to create a page so that immediately that you completed your criteria, you will get content monetization setup. Okay, so make sure that you don't miss any of my video starting from this video. Okay, make sure you don't miss any video. You need to follow up from this video to the end of this class. Okay, and make sure that you share this video so that other people will join this class and benefit from it. That one is important. Now join me on this video. This is a Moto network. Come to that your profile. This is a profile, not page. Okay, come to that your profile before you create your first page. This is what you are going to do. Come here. You see here, click on it. Some of you, your own will be down here. You will see something like 3 dots. Some you have to go to menu to see it. Okay, but my own is here. Now when you come here, you will see all these. I'm sure that you people know this place, right? You will see all these. Now click on this profile status. When you click on profile status, the reason why we come here is to make sure that this profile is on green. This thing affects page a lot. That's the reason why when you create your new page, you'll be struggling to get followers. Okay, after confirming that this is on green, you go back. Okay, go back. Now go to your menu. Some of you, your menu can be down. Your menu will be up. Go to these 3 dots. This is menu, right? Now when you come here, click on see more. Okay, see more. Go down. You will see page. Click on page. Okay, now you will see this create. Click on create. If you try to select create, your own is not working, please, you can create a new profile or update that profile and see if it will work. Okay, now put a page name. Okay, make sure that your page name is very short. It's best to be short. Okay, now this page name, I give it some best. Okay, let's see if they will accept it. Now you click next. Please make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. Even though you know how to create a page, you are going to learn something. Okay, now what is your content all about? If it's comedy, you write comedy. Here is important. Comedy. Okay, select comedy. You understand? This is category. This thing will help Facebook to channel your content to the right audience. Some of you, your own is agriculture, why you are doing comedy. Some of you, your own is tech, why you are doing comedy. Okay, this this category must correspond with your content so that Facebook will know exact people to be recommending your video to. This thing is necessary. Okay, now after putting your category, you click create. Now this is our page. First thing you are going to do is put any picture here. Put any of your picture here. Later we are going to create a banner for your brand. Okay, I will teach you guys how to do it. Is not on this stage, but on this stage right now, put any picture here. Put any picture here. Okay, let's do that. Now after adding your picture, you click here again to add the second picture. Now after adding your 2 pictures, you click next. Okay, make sure that you put picture that is nice. Even though later I will teach you guys how to create a banner, a beautiful banner for your page. Okay, now what you are going to do here is to select all these. This is important. Click here. See here, click it. This thing is, you are doing a survey on your page. Okay, this thing will make Facebook to start recommending your page immediately. It will make Facebook to know that your page is not for scam, that you already have some friend. You understand? Some of you are not doing this, and this is where you are making a mistake. Now click next. Okay, make sure that you click here to invite all people. Right now, click invite to invite people. Now if you want to be getting notification on your profile, right, you turn this thing on. If you want to be getting notification from your page on your email, you turn this thing on. If you don't want notification on your profile, right, you turn this thing off. Okay, if you don't want notification on your email, you turn it off. So but it's good to turn it on. Okay, it's good to turn this thing on, right? Good. Now you click next. Now this is our page. Just skip this. You don't need all this. Skip. Okay, continue. Okay, maybe you can follow. Just follow people. Okay, follow all these people. Later you remove it. All these things is of you to make Facebook to understand that your page is authentic. You are a real person. It's not for spam or anything. Okay, now this is our page. Now the most important thing you need to set on this page is this email. You see this email, right? Phone number and this hours. Okay, now let's go to edit to set it up. Okay, click on edit. So let's start from hours. This is important. Okay, click on this hours. Add address. Okay, where are you from? Just add any random address here. Right now on this email, click on this email. Okay, add your email here. Okay, now on this phone number, click on phone number and add your phone number. After, make sure that you do all this. After adding it, you click done. Okay, you click done. Right now, this is the most important part of this video. Go. This is the most important part of this video. Okay, watch this. Go to your menu. Go to your menu here. This is your menu. Okay, when you go to your menu, you go to settings. Okay, watch this here. You go to settings because this is the reason why a lot of people don't have content monetization till today. Okay, now click on settings here. Settings. Now when you come here, please go down. Go down. You will see page setup. Okay, click on it. Okay, when you click on it, you click on page type. You see this is the reason why so many people don't have content monetization. After you create your page, you need to do this immediately. Now click on this setup and select this. Okay, select this. that your page is for content creating. Now, if you are creating that page for business, please, you select this one. Okay, now after selecting creator, okay, you're telling Facebook that this page is for content creating, not for business, right? You click next, okay, then you click confirm. By doing this, okay, you will get content monetization immediately. You complete your monetization criteria. You will get content monetization set up ASAP. So our page is ready to start doing content. Okay, now we are done. Okay, now wait for our next video today.